Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Samsung have started rolling out One UI 6 Beta 3 builds for Samsung S23 and S23 Ultra. We did not find much of new things, some minor tweaks are done here and there, and we also noticed improvements in the performance part. So let's talk about every change in One UI 6 Beta 3. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Samsung S23 Ultra. If I go to About section, software information, here you can see One UI 6.0. Android version is Android 14 and the build number is ZWI8. Beta 2 also had 1st September 2023 security patch, and on Beta 3 it remains same. As I am a part of beta program, so I received this via OTA update that the update size was approximate 1300 MB. As I told you, we noticed improvements in the performance part, so let me show you the benchmark results and we'll compare before and after update. So here are the results after updating the device, wherein single core scored 2008 and multi-core scores were 5370. And these are the results before updating the device, wherein single core scores were 1951 and multi-core scores were 5057. So slight improvements can be seen on the latest build of One UI 6.0. After that, we also performed CPU throttling test of 100 thread up to 30 minutes, and you can see on the latest build we did not see any kind of throttling issues. Maximum CPU throttled up to 81%, but if I show you the results of previous build, here you can see there were a lot of throttling issues. The same test was performed with 100 thread up to 30 minutes, and that time maximum CPU throttled only 58%. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now let me show you the change logs of this latest build. So here you will see there is nothing new added, but they say they have added a new feature layer to video player. We'll talk about that also, and then they have done some bug fixes. Still One UI 6.0 is in beta phase, so there are some known issues which Samsung have mentioned. We'll talk about the fixes in a while. Before that, let's talk about some improvements and new add-ons which we have noticed on this latest build. So the first improvement which we noticed, and that's layer 2 animation, and it's on the entire UI. You can see a smooth animation transition when you swipe down the quick setting tiles. It wasn't that smooth on One UI 6 Beta 2, but now they have improved a lot on the animation part. And it also looks like they have also increased the blur effect while sliding the notification panel. And as I said, they have implemented these smooth animations throughout the UI, and you can clearly see a change even in the recent page. And another new change which we noticed after installing One UI 6.0 Beta 3, and that's layered to the music player. So for example, so here you can see we have started playing a song. And let me show you one change. Right now the music tab is expanded, and if I minimize this tab, then stop the song, or you consider if you even close the music player and later close the application, next time if you run any music or video, the music player tab will open in the minimized form. So now One UI remembers your last choice and it opens up the music player in the same choice you made before closing the tab. Let me show you another example. Right now you can see the music player is in expanded form. If I stop the music, close the music player and also close the music app, and now if I again play that song or any different song you consider, it will be opened in the expanded form itself. And this also happens on the lock screen too. Another change is like if you have been using the music player in the expanded form, and even if you restart your device, One UI 6.0 will remember your choice and it will open in the expanded form itself. So this is one new add-on which we have noticed on this latest build of One UI 6.0 Beta 3. Also, if you remember, they did mention a new feature added under video player which says enhanced layout video player controls are now easier than ever. But I personally did not find any kind of new add-ons here. Let me show you a video recorded previously, like before updating the device. So here I have that video which I recorded before updating the device. And if I open any video in the video player, I personally did not notice any kind of changes before and after. Only one change which I noticed, let me show you that, which is under editor section. So if I tap on this speed icon, here you can see now it says 1:2. Before it was in this format, which is 1/2x. So this is the only change which I have noticed on this latest build. Other than this, I did not notice any kind of changes when it comes to video player. On the previous build, I've seen a lot of times I'm getting a message One UI home screen crash, but till now on this update I haven't noticed any kind of errors like that. And another issue which I had faced on the previous build while opening the camera application and switching to video mode or even pro video, the application sometimes used to crash. If you guys know, I record most of my B-rolls using Samsung S23 Ultra, and on beta 2 I have faced app crashing issues, but till now there are no issues while switching between video or even pro video mode. As per the changelogs also, they say they have fixed that issue, but if I face that in my regular usage, I'll keep you guys posted in the full review video. Next change, you will find it in the device care section. So if you go to settings, device care, now Samsung have also added a new option under auto optimization where you can schedule your restart. As you can see here, now you have the ability to schedule the restart instead of automatically. Device used to restart when it detects the performance issue. So now we do have the option to manually schedule restart. And the last change what you'll find, that's under the battery section. So if you go to battery, and if you see here under the battery graph, now you get to see a charging indicator on the timeline, which wasn't the case on beta 2. So guys, these are all the changes what we have discovered on oneui 6.0 beta 3. We'll start using this device as a primary device. So if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let us know in the comment section below and we'll answer them in the full review video. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.